Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want to start watching now, so confirm you have mobile data and a stable 4G or 5G signal. Open the YouTube app and sign in if needed. Once done, go to Settings Background and Downloads over mobile to allow mobile data. Then, tap a video and set playback quality to 480p or 360p to conserve bandwidth while keeping watchable clarity. Finally, make sure autoplay is off to avoid surprise data usage. This gets you live fast without burning your plan. Now focus on efficiency. When you have a strong signal, tap Download to save videos for later, choosing 480p or 720p depending on your quota. Downloads use bursts of data versus continuous streaming. Make sure YouTube's data saver is on, and set streaming quality to auto if you want the app to adapt to changing conditions. Also, check your phone's data usage screen to identify background apps. Force close or restrict them so YouTube gets prioritized bandwidth and you avoid unexpected overages. To finish, review your session's data use in the phone settings and adjust default playback quality for next time so you don't overshoot your plan. If a video stalls, drop the quality one step or briefly toggle mobile data off and on to refresh the connection. That often clears buffering. If problems persist, clear YouTube's cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Finally, make sure your carrier hasn't throttled your speed, because that will limit any fixes you try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.